Okhulumela uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA uSipho Ngwema uchaze uhlu lwamacala lomsolwa wesishiyagalombili abhekene nawo.
The eighth accused in the VPS corruption matter appeared this morning in the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crime Court in connection with charges of racketeering, theft, fraud and corruption.
Ungwema uthi lo beyisikhulu esiphezulu esibhekele zemali eVPS udedelwe ngeinkulungwane engamashumi zamarandi wachaza ukuthi lo msolwa uzophinde avele enkantolo.
He was released on 50,000 rands bail. He is to appear again on the 8th of October where he will be joined by the 7 other accused.
Okhulumeli NPA uthi lo msolwa unqume ukuthi axoxisane nombuso ngenhloso yokuvuma icala adalule konke akwaziyo ngalesigameko sasebhange iVPS Mutual.
The accused approached the state for negotiations with regards to the charges, but also he has indicated that he's going to plead guilty to the charges.
Icela kumabhiliyoni amabili amarandi imali yanyamalala kanti iningi lasala lincela i6. Namanje akekho noyedwa imisele ngokuchaza ukuthi le mali yashonaphi. Lo owayisikhulu esiphezulu esibhekele ezemali kuleli bhange labantu abamnyama uzimiseleke ukwelekelela umbuso ngempendulo.